This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3910RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Easton interior, sleeps 6, TV antenna, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, skylight, slideout, oven, air conditioning, self-contained, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Alpine 3910RK is 13,680 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Alpine 3910RK. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.